Welcome to the Imperium Forex Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To start this week's webinar, the Australian dollar is again attempting to take on that challenge towards the top side, as you can see here around that 77 figure 40 area. In light of the current pattern, we could see a small impulse today towards that level. However, I do expect to see further rejection from that 77 handle and look back towards the immediate support of 76.45. It is viewed towards 75.95, which if I put it in, comes in just where these peaks are here. The market should trigger a further bearish momentum and look down towards the recently tested lows around 74.80 to 74.90. In the unlikely event we get a break towards the top side of 77.40, this would give further coverage to the upside, but however, resistance comes in at 77.65.70 and firmer above at 78.30. Well, the euro, as you can see, still is contained by that resistance holding around 108.2050, with the intraday outlook holding towards 107.65. If the weaker US dollar continues, then we may see a challenge towards this region before a further round of supply returning and look towards the downside with the support holding at 107.0520. Now trading at 40.45 at the moment, a break beneath that 107.05 level would give further downside potential to 106.35 to 40. Moving on to dollar yen. The support, as you can see, comes in clearly around that 111.60, which was recently rejected early January and also in February. If we blow this picture up a little bit clearer, you can see here that the market is now pressuring this support that comes in around 112.55. Now a break beneath there today would give further reason for a bearish trade towards this rejection level of 111.50 to 111.75, and I expect to see a rebound firmly from there. The risk is, though, that as you can see, every time the market falls towards this region, we do get a strong rejection, and I do expect to see this again with the resistance coming in at 113.15. Now a break above there would give further scope up towards 113.80 and reassess from there. Well, the pound still pressuring the upside. As you can see here, the market rebounded from that 121.20 area and now looks towards the resistance of 124.10. Now above there, firmer resistance comes in. As you can see, we can draw a trend line which emanates around 133 and clearly comes in around 124.50.80, which I expect to see a cap. In the shorter term, though, a rejection from this region should turn the market back towards the support. And you can see here the indicators are slowly breaking down, with 123.45 holding the short term, and a break beneath there would give further scope to 122.75 to 122.10 and reassess from there. Well, the gold outlook is attempting to recover further as it tackles this handle at 1,230. With resistance holding at 31 to 38, I expect to see a firm round of supply returning from this region and look back towards the downside, with the immediate support coming in at 1,222, should I say. A break beneath there would give further scope towards 12.13 to 13 and then 06. Well, the silver price action, since rebounding off that firm support at 16.60, the market is now challenging the top side and finding a cap around 17.45 after stabbing there 2 days ago. In light of the current pattern, I expect to see further rejections from this region and look back towards that 16.60 level. However, a break above 45 may see a short squeeze up towards 17.80, as you can see where these troughs are, before any attempt to move lower. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a great day ahead.